Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2014 registered Volvo V70. This is the 2.4 D5 engine, SE Lux, 6-speed automatic. Current recorded mileage is 62,945. This is a one former keeper car from new and is in very, very good condition, as I hope you can see. Beautiful colour called Magic Blue. Fantastic service history. Full history, we have 6 stamps in total. The first 5 were carried out by Volvo, with the most recent service being carried out as part of our preparation, which was done in June 2021 at the current recorded mileage of just under 63,000 miles. Next service is due in 12 months time, or every 18,000 miles. MOT expires on the 25th of June 2022, and there were no advisories. Very good set of Michelin tyres. We have 5.4 and 5.5 millimeters on the front, and 6 and 6.1 millimeters on the rear. Fantastic engine, the D5, 215 brake horsepower. Still returns a very impressive 45 mpg combined. It is a Euro 5 engine, band G for road tax, so 12 months is £210. Very, very high level of equipment. Car comes with things like auto headlights, which are xenon headlights. It has an electric power tailgate, rear parking sensors, inside we have a very, very clean full black leather upholstery. The car also does come with the child booster seats, which are integrated within the seats themselves, so very simply just pull down with a lever when not in use. Set of carpet mats, both front and rear. Into the cabin. High level of equipment as mentioned. Front and rear electric windows along with electrically operated and folding wing mirrors. Multifunctional steering wheel. The car does come with cruise control. Main media system. Pretty much everything on the car. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth for telephone. Also Bluetooth music streaming. The car does come with a hard drive digital recorder, as well as being able to play music via Bluetooth, as well as through the auxiliary and USB connection. Ventilation system. Car comes with heated front seats and the 6-speed auto box. So the car is packed full of safety features as well on the Volvo. So it comes with Bliss, which is the blind spot elimination system within the wing mirrors. You've got active bending, which is active bending lights. Also it does have a collision warning, which will come up should you be approaching a vehicle too quickly. You'll get a warning message and lights to prompt you to brake. This fantastic condition, one former keeper Volvo V70 is declared as HPI clear. The car will be supplied with 2 sets of remote central locking keys. We do have the full book pack, which includes the handbook as well as the service history. All the tools are present. It does come with a space saver spare wheel. We also do have the locking wheel nut and the rear boot cover, as you can see. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I'd urge you to visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with the walk around video, see all of our warranty information. You can use the interactive finance calculator, as well as reading our independent consumer reviews. Thanks again. Any questions, please contact us at Berkshire Used Cars.